Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear pending payments on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to see any pending payments on your App Store purchase or any subscription, and if you want to clear that pending payments, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So here you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for the App Store. So here you have to simply click on that. So if you want to clear the pending payments, then there are two methods available. So the first option is that you can simply go to the App Store and you have to click on that Apple ID. And here you have to simply look for the settings like subscription, purchase history, and all the options available here. So you have to make sure about that. So you have to simply click on subscription. So if you find any pending payments, then you can simply click on that pending payments and you have to simply clear the pending payments from here. So after that, pending payments clear, you will be able to change your payment method. So if you want to change payment method, then you have to simply clear all the pending payments from here. So the second option is that you have to simply go to settings again and you have to click on name or Apple ID and you have to click on media and purchase and you have to click on view account here again. And you will find the same interface like subscription, purchase history. So you have to click on subscription, and if you find any subscription has pending payments, then you can simply clear the pending payments by clicking on it. And after clearing all the pending payments, you will be able to change your payment method. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.